N58i convertible that came for rough idle and noises from the engine, and I was able to narrow it down to a bed PCV valve on top of the valve cover, the crankcase valve. And in order to fix this, you need to get a new valve cover complete. So the old one is already off. It's this one. This is what usually fills the little membrane in there, and there is ways I think to fix it, but I think it's a waste of time, so you just get a brand new one with no problems. It's straight from BMW. It's around $550. Okay, so all you have to do is remove the valve cover, which I already did. There's a lot of videos on how to remove it on these. It's not too bad as long as you have right tools and careful not breaking anything. You can get it off, and you're gonna put a new one on, torque all the bolts, put everything back, and it should be good. That's what we're gonna do right now. All right, thank you. This E93 328i 2011 with the N51 engine was running rough, had a rough idle, noisy, kind of diesel sounding like idle. Also had a whistle coming out, whistling sound. The whistling sound was from the PCV on the valve cover. Once I replaced the valve cover, the whistling sound was gone, but the rattling sound still present, and there was a code 2A7C, I believe, for the timing code. So I took it apart again, and what I found is that these bolts on the sprocket have broken off. I turn it around, you see there's 4 bolts, and 4 of them have missing heads. Not sure how this happened, but this is the problem we have. So I got a new sprocket from BMW. It was about $550. New bolts, you have to replace them every time they are removed. And now the new one is on. Here is the timing gear on it. I had to remove the oil pan to fish out some of those broken bolts and stuff. Here are some of the pieces that was broken inside. Here's the oil pan with the new gasket waiting to go back in. The pin is inserted in the bottom, and these are the timing components, tools placed on top to correct the timing. So far so good.